Oh, it keeps the music going. Alright, so we're rolling into Speedway here. Don't have my regular camera, just my phone. Speedway is getting new systems. They already replaced the LaserWash 360 with a brand new 360 Plus. And they're in the process of replacing the Tandem. There are the dryers for the Tandem down there. The old Cantry equipment. And that appears to be the old top brush assembly from the Tandem right there. As you can see, it's all aluminum, which I guess you could see from down below. So no rust, just some corrosion. So yeah, that's completely closed off and the equipment's been torn out. They did up their pricing. You got a 13, 11, 9, and 7. The code I've got is for the Works Wash, which I'll zoom in, maybe. I'll zoom, oh wow, that's garbage. Yeah, I'm back to my Pixel, and yeah, they say the camera's great, but after using the S20 Plus, it's not the greatest. So, the Works Wash includes your underbody blast, wheel bass, double pass pre-soak, and triple foam. Thank you to Cordell of 219 Car Wash Sirens and More. I believe that's still his name. I know he just changed his Instagram to NWI Trains. But, so here it is. The new LaserWash 360 Plus, the camera is messing up those colors a bit there. They're actually fluid and not changing between the panels there. So they added a ton of LEDs here to make this thing, I guess, more attractive. And it's got the new bridge there, new speedy wash, new signage. It's all new, except for our pay station, which they replaced a little bit ago. We're gonna enter our code here.
Please enter your code.
Okay.
Please, thank you. Please pull
gives a receipt already.
slowly into the wash.
So, here we go with the brand new LaserWash 360 Plus at Speedway off of Sheffield Avenue in Dyer, Indiana. So start with our underbody wash here. Everything is green. Everything's telling me to go. Let's see if they did swing here. They even replaced the bay lighting. So Harrell's out of Indianapolis is the one who did all this. Oop, almost knocked it. Oh, that's not a good start. Oh, we are off to a terrible start. Great, wonderful start here at this brand new LaserWash 360, which no longer bears the PDQ name. Oh yes, it does. I was wrong. It's right there. I saw the OPW in the corner and thought that was the end of it. So let's start with our pre-soak, which is just water. Already, I am not impressed. And it seems slower, honestly. It seems like it's got to think as it goes around the... Well, no, we're moving there now. Alright, it looks like we're getting some semblance of soap now that it's on the right side of the vehicle. Let's come around for pass 2. And we're moving. Let's see if it does the left. There we go. That's a much better coating. Let's see if it does the left side, if it kind of hesitates again. Nope, it went all the way without hesitation this time. So this is all new equipment in the equipment room as well. So this is all new. And I guess we're waiting for soaking. Here we go. That sounds more powerful. Looks like it might be more powerful. Double pass in the front. Always a nice touch. We're gonna watch it come over the top this time. On the car though, it does not sound, choke myself with the seatbelt. On the car it does not sound any more powerful, but I think it might be. It's definitely faster, that's for sure. I don't think it's gonna get that bug spot off. We got yellow for Rain-X. You know, I do like this new new LED glow. It adds a nice touch to the system. We're getting blue multicolor because we're getting trifoam, which is actually trifoam. It did a fantastic job on the front, okay on the sides, didn't get the back, and I think that's the design of the system because it can't go back as far as the old one. So we're getting a rinse from the nozzles on the bay. Now, PDQ introduced this feature as a rain arch a long time ago, and it was just a PVC pipe with some holes drilled in it. Now they've installed actual nozzles. And that just adjusted to my car and is going for a rinse that doesn't actually go backwards. It follows the same, wow, this thing is flying. Follows the same pattern, just started in that right rear corner. This thing is hauling right into spot-free rinse, and now it goes backwards. No, double pass in the back. And now it's going its normal direction. So I wonder if it'll then give a double pass in the front. Let's see if they installed swing air on our way out. Nope, single pass in the front. See if these swinger dryers are worth the crap. PDQ dryers are not the greatest. Alright, still says spot free. We got to go ahead. 60 seconds of drying time. The answer is sadly no. But are these new Max Air dryers any better than the previous ones? They look like they potentially are. Unfortunately, I think the answer is once again no. Judging how I got 26 seconds left, I'm just getting to the middle of the vehicle, and I frankly don't have enough time to get the water off. 17 seconds to go. Now let's see. Now I'm getting the back here. I'm just gonna sit on the back. Let's see if this. They are timer based, so 60 seconds and you're done. It didn't get that bug spot. My car looks shinier. All in all, I don't think that was much of an upgrade from the previous system. They've already got issues going on with the sensors for parking in the bay. So that'll be interesting to see if those get resolved. Maybe Harrell's will come back and tweak that once they're done installing the tandem, which you can see the new dryers for the tandem are right there. The side brushes for the tandem are right there. And the overhead bay for the tandem, both ones, are right there. And this is not a tandem Surfline, it's another tandem Pro Touch. Would have been cool to see a Surfline here. These are not swing air as well. I've yet to see a Surfline in this area, so I am hoping we'll get one eventually, somewhere. So that is it. That is a brand new LaserWash 360 Plus, which the branding's actually on the backside there. Let's see if I can back up, not hit the new tandem stuff, and see that. Zoom in on the poorly thing. So they kept the PDQ branding and just moved it to the back. So the Pro Touch is being replaced, and the 360 already has. So that is it. Brand new LaserWash 360 Plus at Speedway in Dyer, Indiana, off 101st and Sheffield. Thanks for watching.